Hello, YouTube. Let me just tell you about this really funny road that just so happens to be located outside our gate. I've spoken many times about this dirt road outside and how in all the roads of this city, it remains as
the last unpaved road in San Pablo City.
And I'm not kidding, okay? I'm not kidding. Just look at that. Okay, look at that, YouTube. For a long time, I thought, nah, this road will never get fixed. But then, a miracle happened. YouTube, a miracle. Well, not really a miracle. Election. It is election period in the Philippines once again. And you know what happens when election period happens in the Philippines? Roads get built. That's right. They started out construction on this road last week. At last, I thought I'd never see the day come, but there it was. They finished construction the other day, so I went out, brought my camera, and surveyed what they had done. Yeah, look at that! All those look at that marvelous solidness, that magnificent concreteness, that stunning. What? Hello? What's this? The road stops here, right in front of this house's driveway. But there are only a few meters to go before it connects to the road going to town. Here, let me show you. Look at that. Just a few meters more. Just a few freaking miserable meters more. And it would have been complete. WTF, YouTube? WTF? Why even bother? Starting a road when you can't even finish it. And that's how election works here in the Philippines. Thank you, ha.